Hey everyone, I'm Dhruv and I'm one of the founders of Create. Today we're launching Instant Design and we're super excited about it. With Instant Design, you can make immediate pixel perfect updates to the design of anything you generate with Create. It helps you make exactly what you want, much faster. Let me show you how it works today. Here Create generated an entire website from a few sentences of English. As always, if I need to make big changes, I can add more details to my spec and hit generate to regenerate the entire site. But what if I just want to make a small design adjustment? Now, if I tap on any element on the screen, a generative control panel appears. There are controls for anything I can adjust on this element, like spacing, background colors, borders, font, and more. As I use the controls, the element live updates. What's really cool is that this is updating the code for the element in real time. So once I get the design just right, since it's already made with code, I'm ready to publish it, and I have a site or tool that anyone can use live. Instant Design works for anything you can generate with Create, so it helps me make components, landing pages, AI tools, or any other app I can describe. It's easier than ever to make things that are beautiful and build things that really stand out from everything else out there. Many AI creative tools help you go from a prompt to an impressive first version. But if you're building something real after that, you need the ability to iterate quickly, and you need fine-grained control, so it can look exactly how you want, right down to the pixel. With Instant Design, you now have that speed and control, and we can't wait to see what you make with it.